Hello students, in the last video we discussed about production function. There have two main laws of a production function, that is the law of a variable proportion and the law of a returns to scale. In this video we are discussing about the cost function. Cost. Here, what is a cost? Cost of a production can be defined as the expenses incurred in the production of a commodity by a firm. It is called cost. What is a cost production? Here, cost productions means the cost production describes the least cost of producing each level of a output given prices of a factors of a productions. We know that there have four factors of the productions and technology. It is known as the cost production. This is very important. This is the 2 marks question. And the cost production describes the least cost of producing each level of output given price of factors of production and technology. It is known as the cost production. And next, in the cost functions also there have two time elements. One is the short run and long run. First we discuss about the short run. It is very important concept. This is covered 6 marks and 2 marks and 1 marks question of this concept. Short run cost and the short run concepts also called short run costs are concepts here. In the short run, there are some factors which are fixed, which other are variable. Here also same, one is a fixed and others are a variable, or some are fixed or some are a variable in the short run as a same production function. Similarly, short run cost can be divided into following types. Here these are called concept or types or anything we are calling here. First one, total fixed cost. Here TFC, we are calling that TFC. And the second one, total variable cost, TVC. And total cost, TC. And average fixed cost, AFC. And average variable cost, AVC. Average cost, AC. And marginal cost, MC here. This is a 6 marks question. One by one we discuss about one by one. Write it full here. And first one, the fixed cost, TFC. TFC fixed cost means, for example, every month now koduvanta fixed cost irati. For example, a rent of the factory, that is a fixed every month. Suppose the factory amount is a 10,000 rupees of a rent, that will be the fixed of a 1 year. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, that is a fixed. And salaries of a permanent employees and maintenance of a building and license fees, etc. That is the fixed cost of by the firms. Firm of the fixed cost, that is called fixed cost. Those costs which do not vary directly with the level of output is called fixed cost. Output will be the higher or less. Fixed cost will be the fixed, that is, it means rent of the factories, salaries of the permanent employee and etc, etc. That is the fixed of the cost. That is known as the total fixed cost. It is called the total fixed cost. And second one, total variable cost here, TVC. Here total variable cost means varies from 1 month to another month, or week to week, and 1 month to year to year. It will be the change of the variable cost. That is known as the total variable cost. It means for example, wages of temporary labors, wages of the temporary labors, cost of the electricity. It means electricity 1 month to another month there will be the differ of the bill of the 1 month to another month. 1 month in one month bill ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ variations ಇರ್ತದೆ. That is also called a total variable cost. And those costs which vary directly with the level of output is called variable cost. Variable ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇದು output ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ automatically the variable cost also increases. Here raw materials prices and etc, that all included in the total variable cost. And next another one, third concept that is total cost, TC. Here total cost means AVC and AFC, AVC plus and TFC and TFC plus TVC is equal to here TC. It means here included total variable cost and total fixed cost, that is known as the TCR, total cost. It means adding the fixed and variable cost, fixed cost and variable cost, we get the total cost. What is the total cost? The total expenditure incurred by a firm on the factors of a productions required for the production of a commodity is called total cost here. This is known as the total cost. That is the formula is a TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. Don't forget this formula. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. We get the total cost. And the next one, that is the average fixed cost. Average fixed cost here AFC. Average fixed cost. Fixed cost the average na naವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. The per unit of a fixed cost of a production is called average fixed cost. Per unit of a fixed cost ಅದು average ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. And its a formula is we can obtain average fixed cost by dividing the total fixed cost by the number of the units of the product produced. That is known as the average fixed cost. AFC is equal to TFC divided by Q. Q means output here. Okay, total output of a firm. AFC average fixed cost is equal to TFC means total fixed cost divided by Q. And next, average variable cost. Average variable cost. The average variable cost, average means it is a variable cost, the total variable cost, the average we get the average of the total variable cost here. The average variable cost is defined as the total variable cost per unit of output, that is known as the average variable cost here. And it is a formula is AVC is equal to TVC divided by K. AVC means average variable cost is equal to total variable cost divided by a Q. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು TFC ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ TVC ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And next short run average cost, SAC, short average cost. It is called normally average cost, but it is we are included in the short run. That's the reason we are calling that a short run average cost. Average cost means the short run average cost incurred by the firm is defined as the total cost per unit of output. It is known as the short run average cost. Short run average cost is equal to total cost divided by Q. Then total cost divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And next, marginal cost. Short run marginal cost, SMC, short run marginal cost. The short run marginal cost is defined as the change in a total cost per unit of a change in a output, that is known as the marginal cost. The marginal cost same MP, it means marginal product, the formula that same applicable here. MC is equal to TC. It means the TCN minus TCN minus TCN minus 1 here. It can be explained to one example here. For example, we think here, for example here, just I am taken the data here 0 to 10 output, 10 units, 0 to 10 output they are given here. We just write here. This one is the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 inputs. And TFC, total fixed cost, TFC, they are taken. TFC means here 20,000 or 20 rupees, anything you think. 20, 20, 20 and 20, 20 and 20, 20 and 20 and 20 here and 20, write it. And next, TVC, we have to find out here TVC and TVC, suppose anything they are given. For example, TVC they are given. For example, we think TVC, it is TVC means the total variable cost of the month, or here, for example 0, first one it is a 0, output 0 means TVC also total variables also 0, it comes a 0 here. But total fixed cost is a compulsory 20 rupees of a total fixed cost. It is a permanent employees salary or rent of the building, etc, etc, it is included. For example, this one is a 0 and 10. For example, they are increase the output 0 to 1, here 10. For example, just assume data as it is not accurate. And 18, 24, 29, 33 and 39 and 47, 60 and 75 and 95. Just we have to calculate this one. We have to find out the all the cost. For example, next TVC, next TC here, TC next AFC, average fixed cost and average variable cost and average cost as short term marginal cost here. For example, we think like this. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಟಿ ಸಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಸಿ. ಟಿ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಟಿ ಎಫ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟಿ ವಿ ಸಿ. ಟಿ ಎಫ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟಿ ವಿ ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ 0. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 20 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0 here. 20 plus 0 means here 20. We get the 20. Same thing. 20 plus 10. 30 and next 20 plus 18, it means 38. Next 20 plus 24, 20 plus 24, we get the 44 here. And next 20 plus 29, next we get the 49 here. And next 20 plus 33 and 53 it is 53. And 20 plus 39, it means 59. And next 67 and 80. 60 plus 20, next 20 plus 75, 95. And next 20 plus 95 is equal to 115. Here we get the total cost. How we get the AFC? What is the formula of AFC? We know that AFC formula, AFC is equal to what is the formula of AFC? For example, AFC is equal to TFC divided by Q. This is the TFC. Yes, this one is the TFC, this one is the output Q here. Q, it means the first one 20 divided by 0. 20 divided by 0, it is a 0, nothing here, it is a 0. And the second one, for example 20 divided by 1, it is a 20. And next here 20 divided by 2, 10. Next 20 divided by 3. We have to taken the average of the fixed cost of here. Divided 20 divided by 3, 20 divided by 4, 20 divided by 5, 20 divided by 6, 20 divided by 7, 20 divided by 10 and etc. We can get here. The answer is next one 6.67 and 5, 4, 3.3 and 2.86 and 2.5 and 2.22 and next 2 here. We get the answer AFC here. And ABC is equal to here ABC na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾವು. ABC is equal to, ABC formula is the total variable cost. It means TVC divided by Q. TVC divided by Q. TVC means ಎಲ್ಲೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು TVC. TVC ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 0 divided by 0. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 0 divided by 0. For example, 0 divided by 0, we get the same 0 here. Okay. Next 10 divided by 1, we get the 10 here. And 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 9, and next 24 divided by 3, 24 divided by 3, 8. Next 29, 29 divided by 4, 29 29 divided by 4, 7.25, 7.25. And next 33 divided by 5, 33 divided by 5, 33 33 divided 5, 6.6, we get 6.6, and the next 6.5, 6.7, and next 7.5, and 7.5, and 8.33, and 9.5. It means 95 divided by 10. We get the 9.5. Next another one, SAC. SAC is equal to, for example, XAC is equal to average cost. It means total cost divided by Q. Total cost divided by Q. Total cost and either. This one is the total cost and divided by the output. Divide total cost divided by the output. 20 divided by 0. 20 divided by 0 means here 0. And next 30 divided by 1, 30. Next 38 divided by 2, 19. Next 44 divided by 3, 14.67, and next 12.05, 10.6, 9.6, 9.83, and 9.57, and 10, and 10.5, and next 11.5 we get. And SMC is equal to marginal cost is equal to, for example, marginal cost is equal to, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು marginal cost ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Marginal cost is equal to TCN minus 1. Here ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ 0. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ TC ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತೊಗೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನೈತಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 0 here, because of the reason here no anything minus. For example, 30 minus 20, we get the 10 here. 30, this one 30 minus 20, we get the 10 here, right from here. And next 38 minus 30, 38 minus 30, that is 8. And 44 minus 8, that is 6. And 49 minus 44, 49 ಕೆಳಗಿನ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿನ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 49 minus 44, 49 minus 44, we get the 5 differences. 53 minus 49, 53 minus 49, we get here 4 answer. And then next 67 minus 59, 67 minus 59, here 6. And 67 minus 59, next 4, 5, 6, 8, and differences is 13 and 15, and next 20 here. This is the example of the short run cost here. Just I am doing here. This will be a very help to understand the concept, and I am just given the homework. This is the 6 marks question. Start from here, short run cost concept here to this one, and here this one, and here you have to complete from here to here. Same data we can take, don't change the data also. It is from a textbook, so take these data also, okay. And that's very important, you have to write this table, okay, for a 6 marks, and with explain, and this one table. I am given homework here, 1 marks question from these concept, important concept, write the meaning of the cost function of the firm, and what is the second one, what is the fixed cost, and third one, what is the average variable fixed cost. It means according to question bank it is. And 2 marks question, name the short run cost. Only write the names of these short run. This is for a 2 marks question, only names, 2 marks. Write this one and this one here. And next explain the variable short run. And another one I given homework here, write completely compulsory do it everyone, and send me the answer. Okay. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಯಾವುದಲ್ಲ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ರ, ಫರ್ಮ್ SMC ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಶೋನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. TFC ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ 100. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ TVC, TC, ABC, SAC ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. SMC ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ರು, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಾ ಏನು ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೇನಿ ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ನನಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಫೋಟೋ ಹೊಡೆದು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಅಥವಾ ಫೋಟೋ ನಂಗೆ ತೆಗೆದು ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ನಂಗೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದ್ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಡೇಟಾಸು ಸಹಿತ ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಯರ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ರನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದರ ಮಾತ್ರ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಇದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನನಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ನಂಗೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಕಿರಿ ನಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.